Hey, what's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper, and welcome to episode 9 of how to turn $20 into $1,000 flipping smartphones on eBay. So if you aren't familiar with the episode or this particular series, I started with $20 and just worked my way up so I can obtain $1,000 in capital. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys basically, what I bought, how much I paid for it, and break down the numbers for you guys to let you guys know, if you're in the situation where you don't have much money, you can follow some of these techniques. So I know that I haven't been uploading this series like as frequently as I probably should. That's just because, um, there was a lot of times where I was picking up the same exact phones, or their iPhone X's from the same person, stuff like that. I wanted to kind of, show you guys that don't just go after one phone, go after whatever you can get your hands on. So I made it like that on purpose. I'm going to break it down more later on in the video, but right now I'm going to show you guys the phone. So the phone that I got and paid, I'm telling you everything I had. So the last episode we we ended the episode with $949.59. That's what we're starting with. Um, you guys can hear I'm turning the phone on right now. I actually picked up a Note 5 with a cracked screen, AT&T. You guys can see the back, but bam, there you go right there. You guys can see. It does have a crack. I don't know if you guys can see the crack, but it has a cracked screen. Now, I normally don't even touch these kind of phones, um, just because sometimes, offering, what I paid for it, some people get insulted by it, and it's just a big waste of time. But I decided this would be a good pickup for this particular series, because I know a lot of you guys aren't starting with much, and this actually came out to be a great pickup. So, Note 5, crack screen, everything still works on the phone. It's a 64 gigabytes instead of the 32, and I ended up paying 30 bucks for it, and it was an easy pickup. I was already at the Starbucks meeting someone else, and they messaged me, and um, I just gave them an offer. For these particular phones, these low phones, I just give offers. It was easy. They didn't haggle or anything. They just said, "Where are you at?" I gave them the location. They came right after I bought another phone. So 30 bucks invested in this. So that means we were left with $919.59. I ended up selling this on eBay. It actually took, if I can recall, it took about 4 days to sell. I had it priced, um, you know, about $15 more than what it sold for. I was seeing a lot of them selling for that particular price, and I'm not sure why this one, took so long, but ended up selling it. In the next clip, I'm going to show you guys, my screen, actually selling the phone, eBay, and all that. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, I am on eBay.com. Just wanted to show you guys the phone actually sold and everything. Note 5, AT&T unlock. I forgot to add the unlock part when I mentioned it earlier, but I put the IMEI in the AT&T device unlock portal, and it unlocked in maybe 10 minutes. So the phone was already paid off and good to go. I took advantage of that and made a little bit extra money. So we're gonna break down these numbers. So again, we started with 949.59. We invested $30 into the Note 5. It does have a cracked screen, but still works. And we were left with $919.59. As you guys can see on the screen, we did sell this for 104.95. I wanted to I had it on there for 119.95, and it got some watchers, and people just wasn't buying it. So I was dropping the price, once, twice a day, just to try to get a sale. Because I only invested $30 into it. So we sold it for 104.95, and then after fees, that's eBay and PayPal and shipping fees, we were left with $88.17. So $30 investment, to to be left with $88.17. That's $58.17 profit, which is not bad. You know, doubled our investment, and some more. So, not bad. Um, so that means we were left this episode. We left off and we hit our goal with $1,007.76. So I'm gonna explain more, why it took so long and all that good stuff. But I do want to show you guys on eBay that I did sell it. You guys can see this is my listing and all that. I took all these, nice pictures you guys can see. um, and yeah, we sold it. So I'm gonna in the next clip I'm gonna show you guys or tell you guys why it took so long, why I decided to choose this particular phone and all that. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? So I do want to go over why I took so long, why I chose this particular phone and all that. And just, basically like I said earlier, it was all about me just wanting to choose different phones, going through different, strategies that you guys can implement in your business. I could have went and, once we have $500, I could have, bought a couple iPhone X's back to back to back, but that would have got boring quick. It would have got boring for me just showing you guys the same iPhone X's that I was picking up, or the same 8 pluses that I was picking up. But I wanted to show you guys that, regardless of the amount of money you have, we had $949 to start with. I could have, like I said, bought, two or three iPhone 8s, three 7 pluses with the money. I could have did a lot with it, but I, basically wanted to prove a point, and say that, regardless of how much capital you have, when there's money to be made, then go and make the money. It's simple as that. I invested $30 out of my $900 that I had to spend. It didn't cut my pockets deep, and I made a good profit off of it. So, when you have a lot of capital to work with, um, you know, me personally, I wouldn't focus on just one, uh, you know, brand of phone. I'm not just gonna focus on Apple now that I have 5 grand to spend, or I'm not gonna just focus on um, Samsung now that I have $1,000 to spend. You guys have to buy whatever you can to make money with. That's the easiest and fastest way to increase your capital. If I was, um, you know, going around and saying I'm only going to buy iPhone 8 through X, nothing else. I'm looking for big profits. Then I wouldn't be um, making that much money because I don't come across those as much. So again, just want to prove a point. Just letting you guys know that whatever you have in the bank to spend, don't don't pass up on these good deals. This was a good deal. $30 invested, made $58 after fees. That's not bad. Took a couple days to sell, but still not bad. Did not break the bank. Um, and yeah, that's it. So we ended up hitting our goal. This is, the final episode of how to turn $20 into $1,000 flipping smartphones. I'm gonna have this all in a playlist for those who are catching this series late, so you guys can go back and see the growth of what I was picking up in the beginning to where I was at now. So it took us 9 episodes. That's not bad. Again, it was drawn out, but 9 episodes. That's about 9 or 10 different phones that we bought to reach that goal. So again, not bad. You always want to come in with a strategy if you are doing this. And I feel like that's what I was doing. I wasn't just showing you guys every single phone that I bought, making it into a episode and ending the episode in a week. I could have did that. I could have showed you guys each phone that I picked up every single day and uploaded the video, and it would have been, a series that lasted a week. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this series. Hopefully you guys can get something out of this, and hopefully you guys can, if you're starting with $20, try to mimic what I did. Starts, obviously start small, and even if you are getting bigger, don't pass up on these deals. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end the episode here in this entire series. I thank you guys for the support. I love that you guys were commenting about, me asking me why I haven't uploaded. So I know you guys are anxious to see this one, and hope you guys enjoy it. So if you do enjoy, drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.